angkla, ihulog ko itong putang ina na ito dyan sa Pasig River para tumaba lalo ang mga tilapia. Pero totoo lang ha, kung sabihin mo ang Pilipino walang ulam, di totoo. Mga sundalo, diyan where's it here? Mangisda lang yan sila, buckets, tilapia, karaming tilapia dyan sa Pasig. Kung wala kang ulam, pabukalan mo lang yun ng 2 hours, wala nang, except for the chemicals, of course, that's being spewed out by the factories. But if it's simply bacteria, masarap ang, kung wala na talaga, dito na. Kaya minsan magpaparte ako dito, puro tilapia festival. Kunin ko lahat yan sa... so yan ang may asagong dilema at may dilemma ako sa gobyerno. Mabuti yung senior na ayaw pa mag-admita. Ay, nako. Well, anyway, yan ang explanation ko bakit. Madali eh. At ang sinasabi ko naman sa kanila, there will never be a time that I will order you to do an illegal act. Ngayon ito it's a simple question of whether government employees or policemen or military men can accept gifts. Sabi ko, yes. It is provided in the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Law. Yung ethics, ayan. There's a law which says you can. And when I talked about it, I precisely used the word. Yung sa libro. Then pumasok sila sa Mr. President, did you not know that that is unconstitutional? Tapos itong gustong maging presidente, ng 2 beses naman kumuha ng bar, sabi ko kaya pala, she criticized me for 2 days. Sabi ko, ma'am, abogado ka man, basahin mo muna ang libro. Kasi binasa ko eh. As a matter of fact, before I open my mouth, I read the law. Diyan mo ako masigo. Ilang beses na yan kinorek ko sila.